Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father. Two names are Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Shem, and then Hamashiach Yahweh. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash over tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa Akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit down lesson of this news article from finance.yahoo.com as of 2-minute read ago, updated November 27, 2024 at 3:12 p.m. by Karen Fry and Josh Scalfer from yahoofinance.com. And it reads, stock market today, S&P 500 and Nasdaq slides after a key Fed inflation gauge shows flattering progress. The U.S. stocks dipped Wednesday as investors digest a fresh data that shows inflation made little progress towards the Fed's 2% target in October. After clinching a record highs on Tuesday, the S&P 500 fell about 0.4%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average was off about 0.3%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite was down roughly 0.6%. The mood is muted in the wind down to the Thanksgiving holiday. We'll see markets shut on Thursday and closes early on Friday. But the Fed is taking the fort again after being eclipsed somewhat by the debate over the impact of President-elect Trump's tariff plans and cabinet choices. The latest reading of the Federal Reserve preferred inflation gauge shows price increases were flat in October from the prior month, raising questions over whether progress is getting to the central bank's 2% goal has stalled. The core personal consumptions and expenditures PCE index, which stripped out food and energy costs, was closely watched by the central bank, rose to 0.3% from the prior month. During October, the line in the Wall Street's expectations for 0.3%, and the reading for September over the prior year, core prices rose to 2.8%, and the line of the Wall Street expectations, but above 2.17 in September. It says the Treasury currently sees a roughly 34% change of the Fed's hold rate steady at the meeting, up about 24% a month before. The per CME Fed Watch 2 also out Wednesday. The second estimate of the third quarter of the GDP was unchanged, showing the economy grew at an annual rate of 2.8% the period. Meanwhile, the weekly jobless claims continues to move lower at 213,000 unemployment claim files in the week ending November the 23rd, down from 215,000 the week prior. It says Trump on Tuesday tapped James Gier, a veteran of the first term as the U.S. Trade Representative. Gier was heavily involved in Trump's original China tariff. Wall Street is assessing what his role could mean for the big new tariff promise for the top U.S. trader partner. On the cooperative front, deal shares sank 12% after a quarterly revenue fell short amid flagging PC demand. The peer HPQ stock also fell post earnings, also down more than 11%. So with that, this is just a sit-down lesson of this recent news article. as the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones all fell today. One was 0.3%, and the other was 0.6%, and the other was 0.2%, I believe. And the Dow Jones is down, I believe, 100 negative 138 points. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying. This news article from finance.yahoo.com as of November 27, 2024, last updated at 3:12 p.m., published by Karen Farr and Josh Sheffer from yahoofinance.com. So with that, I'd like to give all praises. Glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Kakadash. And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashwan Kadas Lotam. Until next time, I will say, Kum Yasharala, Shalom.